Are you not gonna shout? Mama, we're gonna take you a picture there for you to your chocolate. Happy Easter Sunday. Tapos may yung daddy niya, may binili sa kanya ng mga chocolate, mga Easter egg. Tapos, gusto ko siya i-picture kaso nga lang tulog. Gagagaling lang niya nagkuan ligo. Yung daddy niya excited magbili sa kanya ng mga chocolate. Hi daddy!
Hey.
Yung daddy niya is nag-games. Hindi pa naman ito makakain ng chocolate pero ang dami ng chocolate binili. Tingnan niya. Yan. Milky Bar, Snickers. What's the other? How to read that? Lind?
Lind.
Maltesers. That Maltesers is gonna be mine and Toblerone. And Snickers.
None of yours.
None of yours. You cannot eat that yet. Oh my god, you're gonna be waiting for 4 years.
Yeah.
Oh, grabe, spoiled naman dayon, oy.
I'm gonna serve him.
Spoiled na. Save him in your mouth.
Where's his sheep? Where's his little sheep?
What?
Where's his little sheep?
What? Oh, where is it? Get it.
I don't know where it is.
Wala, yung mama is kuan. Yagit ba? Na look after myself. Oh my god. It's there. Yung buhok ko, hindi pa ko naligo. I'm gonna take a bath later. Bahala, basta yung ating anak dito is guwapo. Is buyag-buyag. Bahala si mami is look like a Trump. Ay, meron pa palang siyang sheep. Oh, yun na yung little sheep. Diba, I'm getting fat. I look so like a Trump.
Shut up. Oh
Do you still love me?
You're annoying.
Why do you still in love with me?
Yeah, even though you're annoying.
Do you think obi yun na ano yung?
Of course. I'm your husband. I'm allowed to be.
First time ko dito sa Pilipinas. Yung sa Pilipinas, sila sa Pinas naligo. May mga baon, mga sinugba na isda, mga seafoods. Yun ang may-miss ko talaga sa Pinas. Ang ganda doon nila nagano sila naligo. Ako dito sa Yuki wala. Chocolate, lamb chops and chicken, mashed potato. Pag sa Pilipinas, daming mga kinilaw, ganon. Yun ang nami-miss ko. First namin dito ay Easter Sunday ni Kid. With daddy as one family of 3. Na-miss ni mami ang Pinas. We're going home to Philippines. Kid, you wanna come to mami? Mauli ang tag Pinas. Yehey! Mauli mig Pinas. Ano man dito yung kanilang Easter Sunday, yung parang iba sa Pilipinas. Masaya yung mga dito kasi sanay na sila, pero as in boring, walang gagawin, walang mga ganap ba. Hindi katulad sa Pinas na busy, punta ng dagat, magluto, magsugba, magpansit. Dito sa sa Yuki kay ka-boring. It's boring here. Not do anything.
All right. Well, you can't do anything.
Not going to the beach, having a fish.
You have fish on Friday.
It's not a fresh fish catch from the sea that you can make a roll.
You can make him run.
And hi, did you like your treat from daddy? You got a lot of treat, huh? Can you eat that all? How's that? Where are we going now? Are you not gonna cry? Are you not gonna cry? Yeah? No. Gotta behave. Kain muna kami ni si Hi Daddy.
Yeah, we're going to our favourite place, Burger King.
Ang gusto na rin ng Burger King. Punta muna kami ng Burger King na naman. Lagi kami pupunta ng Burger King pero hindi ko na binablog kasi baka sabihin nyo yung tiyan namin for Burger King. Tapos pupunta kami kay Nana. Are we going to Nana? Dito kami sa likod kasi hindi na ako umupo dyan sa front since dito na si Kate. Bibi, bebe. Kahapon ang ganda ng weather. Hindi kami lumabas kasi naglaba ako. Naglinis. Kaya hindi kami lumabas. Akala namin maganda yung weather ngayon. But the weather today is raining. Supposed to be hanap kami punta kami yung sa park na maraming mga bulaklak kasi spring para makapag-picture kami ni Kate tsaka ni Daddy, pero next week na lang. It's not gonna be the flower, my love, it's still gonna be there next week. It's still spring until May or June.
So bad.
Until May. Yeah, I think when I come here last year May 25th is still spring, but it's like nearly go, you know. Hindi ako nakapag-picture last year. Did you enjoy your egg last night, my love? Huh? Who gonna end up eating your egg? Daddy. We'll try to open the other one tonight.
Not been there for a long time, the eggs.
Yeah, of course.
In fact, you should have chicken to my mum.
We're gonna have a look with that. You're supposed to bring the Milky Bar.
I like Milky Bar.
You like Milky Bar?
Yeah.
Yan yung Burger King na ating puntahan. Liko man na siya. Dito na tayo. Ibang Burger King pinuntahan namin ngayon sa Logistics. Dito, which is we've been here nung Mother's Day, love, right? We've been here Mother's Day.
Yeah, we come a few weeks ago, didn't we?
Yeah, we came a few weeks ago. Ito yung pinuntahan namin ngayon. So, dito na nga bumalik. Pero kasama namin si Cade. Last kami lang ni Mister. Last time hindi namin kasama si Cade. Pero ngayon kasama namin siya. I'm gonna bring the bag, love. Love. I'm gonna bring the bag.
Yeah,
Or
just
not.
Just in case you need it. Just don't leave it anywhere.
Oh. Maulan man dito sa Yuki. Maulan. Hindi na namin nilagay sa sa stroller si baby. Yan na lang. Kasi noon pa, ulan. Tsaka malapit lang naman yung Burger King. Dito lang sa pinaparkingan namin. Nag-order si Daddy kasi may music dito. May nagutom. May umiiyak. May sumisigaw. Sumisigaw is shouting. Sigaw. Isigaw mo. Isigaw mo.
That's you in it. Sit down on.
Isigaw mo kay Daddy. Kailangan kainin ko to kasi mawala na yung franchise. Daddy, don't music, Daddy. Yan, papunta na kami kay Kade Nana. Ay, don't do your eyes like that, love. I know, you need burping. We're gonna burp you there when we get to Nana, okay? It's not long. It's not far. Hindi na ako nag-vlog doon sa Burger King kaya may music man. Maulan. Ang ganda dito sa Logistics, Kipkuan. Kalinis ba? Ang linis. At saka malapit malapit lang dito yung ano yung bahay niya ni Mother. Bolton?
Bolton.
Maybe there is moringa.
How much have we got?
Huh?
How much have we got?
Well, they get moringa there and shrimp.
Yeah. And a packet of coffee coke. What's in there? You drunk all mine.
Bakit kopi ko, you're just wasting it.
Wasting it. You drinking it?
I only got one.
Go on.
You got my Milo and Nido.
Got mine all.
You're just wasting it. Just make it cold all the time. Warm it up. We are here to your nana. We are here. Ulan pa din dito. It's close. Come in. Come in now. Hi.
You're right.
You look
I do like that coat, you know.
Yeah. Me too. I like it now. Before not. We are having a delivery. Delivery. Hala. Kangkong, oh. Bumili kami ng lupa kasi itatanim yan ni Mother. May kimbarpip.
Oh, you coming out?
Yes.
Come on
So
then.
he don't get sick. Hold her, love. So it's much easier. Where's your granddad? Ang ganda ng tulog ng aming bebe. Yeah, may tuputin na. Are we doing him now? Open your Mama, gonna open your egg and daddy. Come on, daddy, let's do it together.
You open it.
It's our first time First time naman ng Easter dito sa UK ni Kate together with daddy. So let's unbox. Oh, it's big, man. Love is chocolate. Is this only one big egg? Oh, bunny! Oh my god! Ah, look at this. Oi. Is this chocolate, love?
Chocolate, yeah.
Big chocolate. Wow, I'll take a picture of this. Ang diabetes! Ang diabetes! Grabe, ang laki. Char. What about this one? Is this chocolate or you need to open it?
Egg.
Chocolate! Oh my dish. Can't believe it. Hala! Let's open it. Can we put it back again, love? When we open?
No.
Huh?
No.
I'm not gonna ruin the cover.
Baby boy.
Wala, ang laki talaga niya. Nakakatagaw. Baby, oh, look at your chocolate, love. Look at that. Oh my god. What's inside, love?
Just a chocolate egg.
Is this chocolate?
It's all chocolate. Oh, chocky.
So how can you eat this? Like that?
You got it. That's the best thing. You got to smash it like an egg.
Well, I'm gonna smash it.
Yeah, smash it.
Like that.
However you want to smash it.
Oh!
There you
Ayan, nabiak na yung egg. There's nothing inside, my love.
No, it's just a hollow egg.
Ah, okay. So, ganito. Hindi na tayo matataga pag open ng egg. Egg chocolate. It's nice. Oh my god. How many days you gonna eat this?
You got till next Easter. Eat them all.
Sarap. Walang laman sa loob. What about this inside, babe? Ano ka lang open
It's
this?
just a chocolate rabbit.
Bunny.
Yeah, chocolate rabbit.
Ang laki. Oh my god, it's big, man. I can't believe it.
It's what?
I can't believe. Thank you for experiencing this. First time ko ma-experience. Come on. Have a bite.
I don't want them.
No? Why not?
No.
It's nice. Okay, that's it.
So later.
Till later. Oh my god, babe. You know, I don't eat chocolate a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, every time you bring me chocolate, all the kids eating it, not me.
Yeah, that's there, but now you're eating more and more chocolate.
No choice.
Yeah.
You buying chocolate, so I'm gonna eat chocolate. Okay na ilagay dito sa carton kasi dito sa UK walang walang langgam, walang alamigas mo. Di katulad sa Pinas, pag nag-open ka ng chocolate, mamaya alat of ang daming langgam. You know, when you open this in Philippines, love, later on, there's loads of ants.
Ants will be in it, won't they?
Yeah. So it's okay. Mommy was gonna burp you, my love. I think he need burping, baby.
Come on. Daddy's boy. And yeah. Daddy's big boy. Oh my days. Come on then.